What's up, everybody? It's your boy Barbecue Brand, aka Brand the Man with Home Grill Advantage. I am coming to you on Labor Day, Monday, on 2022. We are cooking a bone-in pork butt, and I wanted to go over something that not many people cover in their videos. I'm cooking on my Weber Smoky Mountain now. The pork butt has been on the pit for roughly about two and a half hours right now. Okay, it is rolling at 275. I have dialed this thing in, and I haven't really touched any of the dampers. I haven't touched the top damper, I haven't touched the bottom damper, I haven't touched the lid, and it has just been rolling at that temperature. Okay, so one of the things that's really good about cooking on a smoker like this is that you can get other factors that will really help you in your cook to help you maintain some of these temperatures. One thing is going to be the cooker itself, right? How good the cooker is itself, how well it maintains the heat. As you can see, I have a nice little thin blue smoke going. I'm not really sure if you can see that. I think that it is coming through in the video. We're getting some really good airflow, some good draw from the bottom vents to the top vents. The other thing that is really, really important is going to be the quality of the charcoal and the quality of the wood that you put into your smoker. This plays a huge factor. Not many people talk about this. So if you get one of those charcoal brands that are sort of like, supermarket brand, it's good for grilling. It's good to throw in there if you're doing something really quick, you're trying to do something really hot, cooking for 5, 10, 15 minutes or maybe a little bit longer. That's fine. You can use those types of charcoal. You can use that type of that brand that's in the store. But if you're cooking something that's a little bit longer, like I'm cooking this pork butt, I'm probably gonna have this pork butt on for probably about 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours. You're gonna want to use something that is a little bit more, has a little bit more quality. So this is just something that I have from competition. It's my competition charcoal that I'm using. The competition style charcoal, you can use something more like a professional Kingsford or something along those lines, but you want something with a little bit of quality, because if you don't have that quality, then you're going to get temperature spikes. The temperature won't get up to where you want it to be. I have literally not touched this thing for an hour, and it is riding at 275, and it's mainly because of the quality of the charcoal and the quality of the wood that I have in the smoker right now. So that is something that a lot of people don't talk about, but it's very, very important. Make sure that you have a quality wood and a quality charcoal in your pits, regardless if you're cooking on something like a Weber Smoky Mountain, if you have a offset where you have your smoke box on the side. That is really important for you to have a really good quality charcoal. So that's just a little bit of what I like to call advantage advice. Wanted to talk to you on this Labor Day weekend. I got this pork butt rolling. This is very effortless. I'm not doing much to this thing. Like I said, I have not touched it. Probably won't touch it for another couple of hours, and I'll start spritzing this pork butt. But make sure that you have a quality charcoal in your pit, whatever you're using, and you have a quality wood. You don't have anything too green where it's smoldering and you're getting, really thick smoke. This Weber Smoky Mountain is just you can barely see that. I don't know if you can see it at all. So take it for what it's worth. Get quality stuff, get quality meat, quality charcoal, cook great food. Home Grill Advantage, the crowd is on the field. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't season. Remember, you don't need teeth for that.